Welcome to the Great Garden channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a special natural fertilizer recipe to help you take care of orchids right at home. With just a few simple steps, your orchids will grow stronger and bloom beautifully all year round. Let's get started. To make this fertilizer, I use coffee, or you can also reuse used coffee grounds. Pour 2 liters of boiling water into a bottle. I'll use 5 grams of coffee. 1 standard teaspoon is typically around 5 grams, which is about 0.2 to 0.5% concentration. And stir well. At this ratio, the solution is gentle, eco-friendly, and still effective. After the coffee water has cooled, strain out the grounds to avoid clogging the spray nozzle. Now, I'll use this coffee fertilizer in 3 different ways to care for orchids. Method 1, spraying. Pour the solution into a spray bottle. Shake well before spraying. Spray both the leaves and the soil around the base, as snails often gather there. Important: don't spray under strong, direct sunlight. The best time is early morning. When the leaves are still dewy, the plant absorbs nutrients well, and you might even catch some snails by hand. In addition to eliminating snails, coffee contains nitrogen and other minerals that stimulate plant growth. Nitrogen is essential for chlorophyll production, which supports photosynthesis. The natural compounds in coffee can also help orchids resist pests and diseases, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. It boosts leaf moisture and creates a more favorable environment. After spraying, wipe off excess water from the leaves because standing water can encourage mold and fungal growth. Water droplets can also reflect sunlight, reducing photosynthesis. Dry leaves equals better photosynthesis. Method 2. Leaf wipe. Use a soft cloth or cotton pad soaked in coffee solution and gently wipe both sides of each leaf. This removes dust and impurities, allowing better light absorption. Coffee increases moisture and supports orchid leaf health. It's rich in nitrogen and trace minerals that stimulate growth. Plus, coffee leaves a mild, pleasant scent in the growing space. Doing this 1 to 2 times a month will make your orchid leaves clean, shiny, and disease-resistant. Method 3. Dilute this solution with 1 liter of water. Root soak. When orchid roots appear silvery white and the medium is dry, it's time to water. Coffee contains nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, the big 3 nutrients essential for plant development. Nitrogen stimulates leaf and stem growth. Phosphorus strengthens roots and boosts nutrient absorption. Potassium enhances resilience to harsh weather. Coffee's natural properties help protect against root rot and fungal infections. You can soak the orchid pot in the solution for 20 minutes to kill harmful bacteria in the substrate, while allowing roots to absorb moisture and nutrients. After soaking, place the orchid in indirect sunlight. Strong sun can scorch the leaves. After just 2 weeks of this natural coffee treatment, the results are amazing. Leaves become vibrant and healthy. New roots sprout. Old roots stay strong and unrotted. The plant absorbs water and nutrients more efficiently. Healthy roots also store energy, help the plant handle environmental stress, and support growth at every stage. And if snails are a recurring problem in your garden, coffee is your secret weapon. It sounds strange, but it's true. Coffee is a powerful natural remedy against snails, thanks to their ultra-sensitive mucus skin. Let me tell you a quick story. In Hawaii, during the development of marine trade, frogs were accidentally imported via ships. They thrived in Hawaii's humid climate and began to disrupt the ecosystem. Researchers tried many methods to solve the issue and eventually tested coffee. While coffee didn't affect frogs, it was extremely effective in eliminating snails. This sparked interest in coffee as a snail killer, and the idea spread. There are several concentration options, but higher concentrations may damage plant roots. Here are the safe ratios you can use. 2% solution equals 20 grams. Coffee per 1 liter water. For spraying soil only, not on leaves. Kills snails in 3 days. 0.2 to 0.5%. Solution equals 2 to 5 grams coffee per 1 liter water. For spraying leaves every 14 days. 0.1%. Solution, effective too, but slower. I personally use 5 grams of coffee per 2 liters of water to care for orchids in the 3 ways mentioned above. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any orchid care tips. We also offer subtitles in multiple languages, including French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian. To make the video accessible for everyone, if you run into any problems while growing orchids, don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'm always happy to help you grow beautiful, healthy orchids at home.